Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.
The Lord said that He will restore to us the years that the locusts have eaten and taken away from us. We shall eat in plenty and be satisfied and praise the name of our God. That is a beautiful promise. We all want Jesus to restore the lost years of our life. Because of what He had done on the cross, we can believe for a complete restoration of everything that we had lost. Kaya kung may panahon man sa buhay mo na feeling mo naligaw ka, nag-wonder ka, huwag mangamba dahil God will redeem back the lost time in your life. What are the things you want God to restore in your life right now? Kalusugan ba? Kasaganahan? Isang mahal ba sa buhay? Believe that He who promised is faithful and He will restore. This is Pineda giving you another encouraging message. Stay tuned for more of Motivation Minutes only here on 702 DZAS FEBC RadyoTV.
Few moments that lift our spirit. Motivation Minute.